Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of study tips and techniques to help you ace your exams. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. Before we jump into the tips, it's important to create a study plan. Organizing your time effectively will set you up for success. Now, let's explore some proven techniques that will boost your exam performance. So, tip number 1 is active learning. Our first tip is all about active learning. Instead of passively reading your textbooks, engage with the material actively. Take notes, highlight key points, and summarize concepts in your own words. This will help you retain information better and make studying more interactive. Tip number 2 is break it down. Breaking down your study sessions into smaller, manageable chunks is crucial. Instead of cramming for hours on end, try studying for 25 to 30 minutes at a time, followed by short breaks. This technique, known as the Pomodoro technique, enhances focus and prevents burnout. Tip number 3 is utilize visual aids. Visual aids are powerful tools for studying. Create mind maps, diagrams, or flowcharts to visualize complex concepts. These visuals can help you understand and remember information more effectively. Plus, they make your study sessions more engaging and enjoyable. Tip number 4 is practice and practice. Practice makes perfect, right? Well, it certainly applies to exams. Take advantage of past papers, practice quizzes, and sample questions. By simulating exam conditions, you'll become familiar with the format and identify areas that need improvement. Remember, practice builds confidence. So last but not least, we have tip number 5, which is form study groups. Collaborating with peers can be incredibly beneficial. Join or form study groups where you can discuss and explain concepts to each other. Teaching others not only reinforces your own understanding, but also exposes you to different perspectives and approaches of other people. Well, that was all I have for you guys today. What I want you guys to do is use these tips for your future exams if you're a student. If not, then it's fine. But, these tips are really important for students going to college or high school. And these tips can be really beneficial in, improving your grades, doing exams, right? And yeah, that was it for today's video. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Thank you.